Rain a fall out and the week kind of get wet, but it can dry. Hey, boy, my belly never had me good enough last night. But they say when any unseen thing you got no feel good, you know you have to name again, you know where you have to do. Get yourself some ginger. So me have some ginger now. Me go pound up and beat up and blend up and squeeze some ginger juice. Put the ginger on the fire. That's how just grate it and throw it on the fire. And make it boil a little and full out one big cup. And put some brown sugar in it. After me mix that ginger and the brown sugar, it going to taste nice and belch the gas. After me belch the gas, here comes the pot. I have a large red pea soup right here, so. Large red pea soup with dumpling and cocoa and Irish potato and what they want to call what they put in it. And if I beef or an oxtail or what they want to meat and put in there. Anyway, away from that, I have something else. Oh, yeah. I have a thing of spinach rice right here, so. Spinach rice with some cow foot, stew cow foot. With some, on the side, I have some raw carrot with some pepper. Pepper, your pussy, make you keep your killing quiet. Pepper, you like a pussy, make you keep your killing quiet, yeah? So I have pepper. And I have that. So what I'm going to do right now is put the ginger tea on the fire. And make me a cup of tea. And then we can come back, come labrish and run off my mouth. Some of them don't like when I talk the truthness. They might watch the makeup like me tell them some want look like pretty puss. Me tell them some want look like pretty puss. Me tell them some want look pretty. What if make it look pretty? Look a fake Walking Dead makeup on my face look like when the Walking Dead movie. And that to say make it blend and make it look pretty. And of your face when it look pretty. Natural face to have them color white and pink and all this madness. It is madness. It's madness. The world gone mad. And so are we. Right? Sometimes people see me and say, oh my God. Like when I was on the train and I was coming from 42nd Street. And that was a long time ago, years ago, when I was on the train, you know. I'm up on the train, I have one wig similar to this with the makeup on. Can you like to watch the RuPaul show? Of course, me watch RuPaul show sometime, Papa. Me watch if you see how them change themselves and how they do the makeup and I try to be like the RuPaul makeup. RuPaul no look like this a Ross. But anyway, phone don't know RuPaul. Yes, he do drag and he's a fine drag ass motherfucker. And I'm telling you, so I was coming from 42nd Street and I was walking and I was tired. Them time I used to be a dancer. And I used to dance at Peep Show. Close to Port Authority right there. And man, when we go up on the train, I see some bunch of boy up on the train. They look me up and down. I don't know, so I have some Ross foot here. My foot them big. I wear size 10 shoes. Yes, size 10 boot. If a girl try to fight me, and me take off my boot and step on her, she's sure to get a crush. My foot them is my weapon of destruction upon them body, baby. And me I tell something upon the train, you know. And when the boy come in upon the train and him see me and the next two boy, one of them look at me and say, boy, shot, you have a nice ass. Boy, shot, your ass fat. Me hear one of them say, boy, shot, your ass really fat, shot, you have a nice ass. But look upon the foot them. And me hear when the boy say, look upon the foot them, wouldn't want to turn around. And so me have the wig same way down in my face, because I know so my foot big. You see what I mean? So me have the wig in my face like this. And me hear the boy, I try to look on my face, but I don't want to see my face, you know, because my foot them big. So me kind of do like so, because I'm not ready for nobody, you know what I mean? Maybe go turn and go say the foot them big, but the nose big too, which me not think about them. So me turn this way. So I hear the boy, you know, man, I'm trying to look at the face, but I'm not see that here. Your next one, no? Shorty got a fat ass, but that bitch is a man. I would fuck Shorty if she wasn't a man. She got a nice ass, but she got a big feet. That's a man-ass feet she got. That's a man right there, dude. I heard the next one said, that's a man, and all them think was a man. And believe me, I see him somebody up on the train with the ear on my face, and me did not say a word. Them talk, and then say me was a man. I know my foot them big and tough, but me have a nice ass, and if I wasn't a man, then would have fuck with me. I'm not going to have to tell them say me a woman. I'm not going to have to prove nothing to them because that's how God make me. If me have a man foot and me look like a woman and me have a man foot, so be it. The foot them strong, the foot them carry up and down, and the same foot them use and sell bleaching cream and soap and pum tight and jewelry. And the same big foot they carry me through New York City, up and down the subway platform. Them foot they never fail me yet. The foot they never fail me yet at all, Baba. That's for sure. Now the ear all in my mouth. Lord Jesus. It has to be a transvestite. And it's ought to be a transsexual because when they used to all these hair, they don't get in your face and the ear in your mouth. And if me a woman I'm used to the ear, much less than we have the body when I used to the ear. So the boy them try to look at my face to make sure if me a man. But if they look at my face, then I really think say me a man because sometimes I have a little mustache here and so, you know. So thank God, my dear. Thank God me ain't turn round. The boy them say me foot tough, me look like a man, and then sure say me a man. And me have a nice body. But if they could have find out say me is not a man, then they would have tried to give me a break, you know, but them couldn't see that. Them say I'm a man. So what can I say? I'm a man.